आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, देश में पिछड़े वर्ग के लोग कितने हैं बताओ।
भारत जोड़ो यात्रा क्या करने की कोशिश कर रही है? भारत को जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है।
The upcoming general election to elect members of the 18th Lok Sabha in India is anticipated to occur in the forthcoming months of April and May. It is poised to witness a fierce battle between the ruling NDA alliance and the newly formed India alliance. Despite the prevailing political scenario, the idea of a significant surge in support for Congress leader Rahul Gandhi might appear implausible to many observers. However, the 2019 Lok Sabha elections presented a different narrative. Despite Congress's diminished presence on the political landscape with only 52 seats, Rahul Gandhi's strategic decision to contest from Wayanad in the southern state of Kerala emerged as a pivotal factor. Wayanad, renowned for its verdant landscapes, rich biodiversity and vibrant cultural heritage, stood as the backdrop for Rahul Gandhi's electoral gamble. His choice to contest from Wayanad not only captured nationwide attention but also ignited fervent political discourse across the country. Rahul Gandhi, scion of the Nehru-Gandhi political dynasty, has traversed a unique and dynamic journey in Indian politics, marked by a blend of heritage, evolution and public service. Born on June 19, 1970, into one of India's most influential political families, Rahul Gandhi inherited a legacy deeply intertwined with the nation's struggle for independence and its subsequent democratic evolution. Raised amidst the hallowed halls of political discourse and social activism, Rahul Gandhi's political career began to take shape as he matured and sought to understand the multifaceted complexities of India's socio-political landscape. After completing his education abroad, he returned to India with a renewed sense of purpose, eager to contribute to the nation's progress. In 2004, Rahul Gandhi made a significant foray into the realm of politics, announcing his candidacy and emerging victorious in the general elections from Amethi. This constituency, once represented by his father, became a cornerstone of his political journey as he secured consecutive wins in 2009 and 2014. Despite calls from seasoned members of the Congress party urging him to play a more substantial role in party affairs and national governance, Rahul Gandhi assumed the role of Congress Vice President in 2013 following his tenure as General Secretary. His elevation within the party hierarchy marked a pivotal moment in his political trajectory. However, his leadership faced a stern test during the 2014 Indian general elections when he spearheaded the Congress campaign. The outcome proved to be a humbling experience for the party as it suffered its most significant electoral setback in history, plummeting to a mere 44 seats compared to its previous tally of 206 seats in the 2009 general election. Rahul Gandhi's political career reached a pivotal juncture when he assumed leadership roles within the Indian National Congress Party, ultimately serving as its president from 2017 to 2019. One of the defining moments of Rahul Gandhi's political career came during the 2019 Lok Sabha elections when he contested from two constituencies, Amethi in Uttar Pradesh and Wayanad in Kerala. While Amethi remained a bastion of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi's decision to contest from Wayanad underscored his commitment to representing diverse segments of Indian society and fostering national unity. Beyond electoral politics, Rahul Gandhi's influence extends to grassroots activism, youth empowerment, and the advocacy for democratic values. He has been instrumental in galvanizing the youth of India, encouraging political participation, and amplifying their voices on issues of national importance. As the Congress battles with its back to the wall, Rahul Gandhi has chosen to hit the streets a second time before the 2024 general election, a battle that the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, now a giant election machine, seems well placed to win for the third time. After the 6-month-long 4,500-kilometer Bharat Jodo Yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir last year, Rahul Gandhi is leading another road trip, this time called the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which began on January 14 from Manipur and is set to conclude on March 20 in Mumbai. This is a new course for the Congress party, which has over the last few decades avoided taking to the streets.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.